The 3CX client for iOS is free for all users of the PBX and allows your employees to carry their Office extension with them wherever they go. Packed with productivity-enhancing features, the iOS client allows users to work and communicate exactly as if they were sat at their desks, whilst combining the usability of their smartphone with the added functionality of the PBX. Getting started is easy. With the QR code provisioning feature, simply scan the code from your 3CX web client and you're ready to go. Our Presence feature allows you to quickly view the availability of your colleagues, making call handling more efficient and improving your customer service by enabling you to easily transfer calls to someone that's available. Integrate your device's phone book with 3CX and keep all of your contacts together in one place. Do you have too many contacts to manage? No problem. The 3CX phone book separates entries by placing the 3CX logo or profile photo next to internal contacts, so there's no need to worry about mixing up personal and professional numbers. Simply tap on a contact and choose your method of communication. Either make a call, leave a voicemail, start a conference, start a chat, or send an email. The choice is yours. Because we know how much people love the usability of their personal devices, we've made the functionality of the 3CX client as simple and close to that of a smartphone as possible. With Apple CallKit integration, there's no need to learn a new interface, and with push integration, the client is automatically launched when a call comes in, so you don't need to drain the battery by running the app all of the time. The keypad is sleek, modern, and easy to use, with the added benefit of multiple lines available. Need to return a missed call, view your inbound, outbound, and missed calls easily, just as if you were using your smartphone. Scheduling conference calls has never been easier. Create conferences, invite participants, and manage your meetings straight from the 3CX client's interface. If you're the forgetful type, the client will automatically call you at the time of the conference, so you'll never miss an important meeting again. If you prefer to communicate via instant messaging but don't want to hand out your personal contact details, the 3CX chat feature takes away this concern. Integrated into the iOS client, you can access and manage your chats just like any other instant messaging or SMS platform. In the corporate environment, we all know how disastrous it can be to miss an important message. 3CX has made accessing your voicemails from the client easy. Not only are your voicemails forwarded to your email, they are also clearly displayed in the voicemail section, along with the contact information of the person that left the message, as well as the time and date. So are you ready to update your communications? Try 3CX for free today.